Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by extracting the metal insert from the outer case. Do this now with a firm upward pull while the lid is open. Once removed, inspect the bottom felt pad and pull it back just enough to expose the cotton packing. This gives access to the wick and fuel. Make sure to work on a clean surface to catch small parts. Next, use a small flat screwdriver to loosen the flint screw. Keep the spring and screw together so you don't lose them. Once the felt is lifted, remove the cotton packing gently in sections so you can observe the original layering. This helps when you reassemble. Use tweezers to tease the wick up through the packing without bending it. This preserves the wick's integrity. If you removed the flint tube earlier, check the tube for debris and clean it before reinserting the flint spring. Make sure to note wick length and orientation. Marking or photographing the layout makes reassembly. To finish, tuck the cotton packing back around the wick in the same pattern you removed it. Once done, press the felt pad back into place. Replace the flint spring and screw, then test the striker wheel to confirm a steady spark before sliding the insert back into the case. If the lighter misfires, make sure the flint seats against the wheel grooves are clear of debris, and the wick is properly saturated with fluid. If problems persist, replace the flint and recheck alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.